Okay, so I'm going to be making some pear sauce. Our pears are looking real funky this year for some reason. They are, one side is like ripening way faster than the other. So I took all my pears, I laid them all out so I can see which ones are turning. Some of them are already starting. You can see the lighter yellow. And these are definitely dark. So I'm cutting all the bad pieces out and then peeling them, and I'm gonna make pear sauce with them. My kids love this. Pretty close, the same texture as applesauce, and it will be gone in no time. Okay, so I got the lemon juice, the nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla all in the pot with the water. And I'm just gonna mash them up a little bit, just get this going. Start breaking the pears down here and get a little bit of the spices incorporated. It is very fragrant, smells amazing, and I'm sure this will be gone for breakfast. We'll have it just like applesauce is did. You can mash it as much as you want, make it really thick. You can use a hand immersion blender if you want it better, but it'll break down over time here cooking on the stove. And this is what we will be having for breakfast.